Hey there, welcome to the Seshes.ai intro video. Happy to see that you're interested in Seshes.ai LLM brand tracker. Let me tell you more about how it works. With Seshes, you can understand how AI is talking about your brand. Our comp Sesh lets you see how your brand stacks up side by side with competitors across LLMs. The brand Sesh lets you track your brand's presence, sentiment, and authority in AI-generated answers. And our Explore Topics section helps you discover which themes, keywords, and clusters you own or need to. A comp sesh on Seshes.ai is a competitive visibility session that compares your brand against others across large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. You run the same prompts across these models and view side-by-side data showing which brands are mentioned and which are not, a breakdown of how often each brand appears in responses, position rankings, sentiment framing analysis, competitor leaderboard visuals, trend lines showing visibility over time by model, exportable action items based on gaps and opportunities. It's where you quantify how you stack up in AI-generated content and where you spot your competitor's edge or your own blind spots. Think of it as LLM brand share of voice. You're not just checking rank, you're decoding how AI talks about the market. Next is our brand sesh. A brand sesh is your brand's personal visibility pulse inside the minds of AI. It's a focus session where Seshes runs real prompts across LLMs to see where and how your brand shows up in AI-generated answers. Visibility score, how often and how prominently you're ranked. Presence score, how frequently you're mentioned even without top billing. Sentiment analysis, tone, context, and how favorable the model is. Citation authority, whether your brand links or site are referenced. Framing insights, what roles, use cases, or categories you're associated with. A brand sesh includes charts, raw responses, and a timeline of visibility across models. It surfaces keyword performance, sentiment trends, and AI recall, letting you see what prompts do or don't pull your brand. The Query Insights page breaks down how prompts behave across models. It shows intent distribution, informational, commercial, navigational, funnel stage heat maps, sentiment trends over time, citation domains, who gets linked, not just mentioned, prompt by prompt detail, toggle views, compare phrasing impact, exportable takeaways for better prompt targeting and brand tuning. It's your lens into how questions flow, convert, and frame your brand in AI land. The Explore Topics section helps you map where your brand plays or should be playing inside AI conversations. They show topic clusters and subtopics tied to your brand or industry, keyword radar charts comparing your presence versus competitors, presence matrices showing coverage gaps, trend lines over time for mentions, sentiment, and visibility, suggested action items for content or prompt refinement, exportable. This is where strategy meets signal. You see not just what's said, but what should be. Perfect for identifying white space, reclaiming lost ground, or expanding into new semantic zones. The Traffic and Analytics page fuses classic web data with LLM insights. It pulls from GA4 and GSC to show top landing pages versus AI-mentioned pages, search queries that overlap with LLM prompts, traffic trends alongside visibility scores, hybrid insights, which content performs in both SEO and AI, exportable lists of pages, prompts to optimize or monitor. This is where discoverability meets performance. Not just are you visible, but is that visibility driving impact? This is just the tip of the iceberg for what you can do on Seshes.ai. We also offer RAG insights to explore retrieval quality and hallucination rates across your LLM runs. Plus a hybrid analysis where you can view website and LLM data side by side to reveal opportunities. And agentic SEO audits designed to evaluate how well your web pages are prepared for AI-driven discovery and indexing. Seshes shows you what LLMs are saying about your brand because search changed. AI replaced it. Now it's not about rank, it's about recall. Mentions, framing, sentiment. We track what's said, how it's said, and who else is in the convo. You get signal, not guesswork. Need a clean audit? A boardroom-ready snapshot? Or ammo for your next pitch? Seshes delivers fast. Let's book some time using the Get Started link in the top right corner of the Seshes AI website, and we'll show you what we can do.